Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going on an awesome trip to Indonesia, a place with amazing nature, cool cultures, and a super interesting history. We'll see everything from fiery volcanoes to deep rainforests. Indonesia has tons of different landscapes and exciting stories. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community for more awesome travel videos. Indonesia is made up of more than 17,000 islands. This vast archipelago stretches over 5,000 kilometers from east to west, making it one of the most diverse and expansive island nations in the world. It's a huge group of islands spread across the equator like emeralds scattered on a blue sea. The waters surrounding these islands are teeming with marine life, coral reefs, and vibrant ecosystems that are a paradise for divers and nature enthusiasts. From the busy city of Jakarta to the peaceful beaches of Bali, every island has its own special charm. Jakarta, the bustling capital, is a melting pot of cultures and modernity, while Bali offers serene landscapes and a spiritual retreat for travelers. Imagine how big this group of islands is. The sheer size of Indonesia means that it encompasses a wide range of climates and environments, from tropical rainforests to arid savannas. It's so vast that it has lots of different cultures, languages, and even types of nature. Over 300 ethnic groups call Indonesia home, each with its own unique traditions, languages, and cuisines, making it a true cultural mosaic. Indonesia is a place where old traditions meet modern life and where nature is alive and well. From traditional dances and ceremonies to the modern skylines of its cities, Indonesia is a land of contrasts and harmony, where the past and present coexist beautifully. Deep in the rainforests of Sumatra, there's a really strange flower. Hidden beneath the dense canopy of trees, and amidst the lush greenery, this flower is a true marvel of nature. It's called the Rafflesia arnoldii, and it's the biggest flower in the whole world. This flower is so unique that it has captured the attention of botanists and nature enthusiasts alike. It looks like a giant, fleshy, five-pointed star growing right out of the ground. Its petals are thick and leathery, giving it a somewhat otherworldly appearance. It can be over 3 feet wide. Imagine a flower that spans the length of a small child. It's truly a sight to behold. It might not be the prettiest flower, but it's definitely interesting. Its reddish-brown color and peculiar texture make it stand out in the forest. The Rafflesia is a parasitic plant, which means it gets its food from another plant, a special kind of vine. It has no leaves, stems, or roots of its own, relying entirely on its host for sustenance. It smells pretty bad, kind of like rotting meat, but that smell attracts flies, which help it spread its pollen. This unique adaptation ensures that the Rafflesia can reproduce and continue its life cycle in the dense jungle. The flies, thinking they found a meal, land on the flower and inadvertently pick up pollen. When they move to the next Rafflesia, they help in pollination, ensuring the survival of this extraordinary plant. The life cycle of the Rafflesia is fascinating. It starts as a tiny bud on the vine and slowly grows over several months until it finally blooms into the giant flower we see. Researchers continue to study this incredible flower to understand more about its unique biology and ecological role. The Rafflesia arnoldii remains one of nature's most intriguing mysteries. Indonesia has the largest Muslim population in the world. You can hear the call to prayer all across the islands, which shows how important religion is to people there. From the beautiful mosques of Java to the small prayer houses in faraway villages, Islam is a big part of Indonesian life. This strong religious tradition makes Indonesia even more interesting. Chapter 4. Dragons of the Lesser Sundas. On some volcanic islands in eastern Indonesia, there's a creature that seems like it came right out of a legend. These islands, part of the Lesser Sunda chain, are home to a unique and fascinating ecosystem. The rugged terrain and volcanic activity have shaped the landscape into a perfect habitat for one of nature's most formidable predators. It's the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, and it's a scary hunter. These dragons can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 150 pounds. Their sheer size and power make them a force to be reckoned with in the animal kingdom. It can even hunt animals much bigger than itself. Using a combination of stealth, speed, and brute strength, the Komodo dragon can take down prey as large as water buffalo. Their hunting strategy often involves a sudden, powerful attack followed by a patient wait as their venom takes effect. With its strong legs, sharp claws, and poisonous bite, the Komodo dragon is at the top of the food chain. Their saliva contains a mix of bacteria and venom that can cause severe infections and blood loss in their prey, ensuring that even if the initial attack doesn't kill, the aftermath will. These ancient reptiles are like living dinosaurs, and it's amazing that they still exist. Their presence is a testament to the resilience of nature and the incredible adaptability of life. As we explore these islands and observe these magnificent creatures, we are reminded of the rich biodiversity that our planet holds and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Chapter 5. A Nation United by Noodles. Everywhere in Indonesia, from big cities to small towns, there's one food that everyone loves: instant noodles. Indonesia is the second biggest consumer of instant noodles in the world. They've turned instant noodles into an art form. There are so many different kinds and flavors, and everyone eats them. Chapter 6. A Symphony of Languages. Imagine a place where people speak over 700 languages. That's Indonesia, a country with tons of different dialects and accents. It's not just a statistic, it's a way of life. From the old languages of the tribes to the modern languages used in business, Indonesia shows how language can bring people together and also set them apart, how it can keep cultures alive and also create change. Chapter 7. Indonesia is located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a place with lots of volcanoes and earthquakes. There are over 130 active volcanoes in Indonesia. The islands have been shaped by these volcanoes. Even though volcanoes can be dangerous, they also make the land fertile. Volcanic ash is good for the soil, which is why Indonesia is one of the best places in the world to grow things. Chapter 8. Bali, the island of gods, is like paradise. It has beautiful rice fields on green hills and ancient temples that seem to whisper stories of gods and demons. Bali is amazing. Whether you want adventure, relaxation, or a spiritual experience, Bali has something for everyone. The palm oil paradox. Indonesia makes more palm oil than any other country. Palm oil is used in lots of products. It's important for Indonesia's economy, but it also causes problems. Cutting down forests, destroying animal habitats, and treating workers badly are some of the issues with palm oil production. Chapter 10. Indonesia's culture is as diverse as its islands. Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, and Christianity have all influenced Indonesia, creating a mix of traditions, beliefs, and customs. From the ancient temples of Borobudur to the exciting dances of Bali, Indonesia's culture is rich and complex. Chapter 11. Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia, is a city of contrasts. Huge skyscrapers stand next to sprawling slums, which shows the difference between rich and poor. Even with its problems, Jakarta is full of life. It's a center for business, culture, and opportunity. Indonesia's rainforests are full of amazing animals, like orangutans and Sumatran tigers. Sadly, many of these animals are in danger because their homes are being destroyed, and some people hunt them illegally. People are working hard to protect these endangered animals and save Indonesia's nature for the future. Wayang is traditional Indonesian shadow puppet theater. It's a very old art form. A flickering oil lamp creates shadows of detailed puppets telling exciting stories of gods, demons, and heroes. Wayang is more than just a show. It tells stories that reflect Indonesian beliefs, values, and history. Indonesia is famous for its coffee, especially kopi luwak. This coffee is made with beans that have been eaten and pooped out by civet cats. This strange process is supposed to give the coffee a special flavor, and it makes it one of the most expensive coffees in the world. Borobudur is the biggest Buddhist temple in the world. It's in Java, and it's an amazing example of ancient Indonesian architecture and spirituality. It was built in the 9th century, and it's a masterpiece. Its carvings and towers show the lasting power of faith. Thanks for joining me on this amazing trip through Indonesia. From its stunning landscapes to its vibrant cultures, Indonesia is full of surprises. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool travel videos. See you next time.